sometimes I dance really hard with waving arms and... Who doesn't have a wiki entry? Oh, one more time. Sorry. Stop dropping your jujubes.
Yeah, my jujubes whatever I want.
Okay, are you ready?
No, I forgot a lot.
We're rolling.
Audio.
Audio rolling. Clackerboard falling. Yes.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Now are you ready? Now there's ghosties.
Ooh.
Look at the way she's dressed. Antiquated fuck.
No, we're not antiquated fuck. We're antiquated whores. Told you so. Boom.
Okay. Sorry.
Julius. My name is Julius.
Will someone kill the buzzsaw?
Buzzsaw.
The chainsaw.
I'm using a buzzsaw.
Is he really? Going home. It's as bad as a bus passing. Okay, quick. Oh, there's a break. Damn.
Let it go!
Jeez.
Is something bothering you?
Yeah, the fall.
After she digs up the bones again.
Shit! Damn it!
I am never playing that with you again. She says she's a novice at it. I'll get it.
Now that you've been integrated into society.
Ring.
And action.
It's ridiculous.
Whoa. That's
It's ridiculous.
it's my phone.
The dreadfulest of smells infested the rooms.
I got distracted by the ding, sorry.
That's okay. I got distracted by the ding too.
And go.
Turlo!
Hold on.
Action.
I didn't know, okay?
Sorry, hold on.
And then look to the other side. And let's look to the other side when there's not a horn in the background.
Yep. Stop it, horn.
Yes, there she go.
Not the horn.
It's like the Austin Powers peeing scene. We can probably do it with the horn.
No, it's fine.
Gives you a chance to catch your breath. I think it sounds kind of spooky.
All right, excellent. And action.
The tender heart.
Hang on. Action.
The tender heart. What happened?
The train in the background. Yeah, train can't honk it too. Everybody dance. All right. Holy God, there's two of them now.
That's why they're honking.
Oh. Trying to hit each other.
Playing chicken. They're horn fighting.
Okay, let's look at this another one.
You motorcycles.
Ooh, but it's a lady motorcyclist.
Is it a dude with long hair or is it a lady?
Never be
I think
sure.
it looks like boobs. I see boobs.
Doesn't always.
Those are some hella packs.
Hella packs.
It fooled you, didn't it?
Sure did.
No, she's
Thought
a
it was
lady.
a lady. Oh, it was a lady.
Let's do it one more time after the motorcycle passes.
That is a dude.
That is definitely a dude, ladies.
Lady. That is a dude. Ladies.
Oh no, I don't think I can run that fast.
The proud.
The motorcycle. Hang on.
Be obnoxious.
Do the proud again.
The proud.
The loud. Seriously, dude?
Seriously?
First we dress too far in the future, and then it's too far in the past. It's just a not.
Hey, you're blocking my light.
just stayed possessed until he could hunt down the spirit and
Yeah, we
yell
wanna
at
do
the
that
people
again.
riding on bikes.
Wait.
It's very ominous.
It is.
Smoking pot in my hotel room. Ordered room service while high. Not smart.
Do that one more time. Action.
That's terrifying noises.
And life stories. Say, I hope we're not here that long. Action.
I hope we're not here that long.
One more time.
Stop walking. No wonder you drink so much.
Good. One more time on that last one.
It's something special.
I know.
It's the drain hose that I think from the dehumidifier.
And I did that too. And action. No.
Lost the director.
That sounded wet.
Juicy.
Not helping.
Oh no, sorry. Hold up.
Wait. Lots of noises.
I didn't know vampires used the toilet.
Apparently someone
Apparently
does.
Now.
Yeah.
All that blood just goes right through them.
That's for the bush.
I'm busy. Busy vampires.
Kiara uses the potty a lot. Told you all that blood just rushes right through you.
Guess
She must have
vampires,
got hold of the vegan.
guess vampires get the shits too.
All that fat, you know?
A diuretic vampire is so less sexy than a lesbian
This is
one.
not working.
Someone slips some X-Lax in that one.
Lesbian pirates.
We don't have enough hits on the
Wait.
Lesbian pirate vampires.
Ooh, that's a whole new series right there.
Wait a minute. Where am I? I'm waiting for the ninjas to pop out of the the fridge here.
And then you have gay zombie ninjas.
Oh wow.
Wow.
That's what's making that noise. It's the embalming fluid.
Yes.
The gay zombie ninjas. Gay zombie ninjas versus the
Dead bodies are kind of flatulent.
They throw their body parts at you instead of like ninja stars.
This could work.
I smell a comic book.
I think that's the dead bodies.